All right, 18 Jetta, 1.4 water pump, T30, 2-inch extension, 6-inch extension, pair of hose clamp pliers, and 10, and a 13 socket. That's it. It's an easy one. Just fill that coolant up and you're ready to roll. 2018 Jetta CZTA engine code. That's the 1.4 liter. We did a pressure test for it leaking out of the water pump, so we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick water pump replacement. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Let's just start knocking this thing out.
What are we grabbing?
Get the air box off here.
Pull that clamp to the air box.
Boost pressure sensor. Got 2 clips going into the turbo. Gonna wiggle them out. Got a vacuum on here. 2 clamps on the throttle body. Alright, let's get the battery and tray out.
13 for the battery lock. 10 for the battery terminal.
Battery tray.
For the battery tray.
A little Tesla clip, whatever you call this thing. Stick the breather pipe out. T30. T30 down here. Heater element.
Unplug the heater element.
Get that hose out of the way. Okay, we got a little T30 for the hose mounting.
Where was that?
Right there.
Gotcha.
Alright, let's unclip the harness guides off of the water pump belt cover. 1. 2. Yeah, okay.
And there.
Hoses. We're getting them out of the way here. Thank you. What? Yeah, oh yeah. Well, it's gonna come out anyway. Alright, let's get the clips unclipped here. Got another radiator hose here. Let's get pick behind there, kind of free up the hose. Pull that out of the way. That thing here. Get her freed up. Okay, get all your coolant hoses. Tuck them out of the way. You just want to start giving yourself access as much as possible. The more you can make, the easier this job will be. Another hose right here. I like to take this off of the oil cooler. Got a catch band under there. Catch all this extra coolant flying around. Get that heater core hose tucked and out of the way. This hose we can kind of bend down. Got a rear heater core hose here. Okay. We're pretty exposed here. We got everything opened up. Got our harness guide. This needs to come off. Slide that up out of the way. T30s for the cover. Two of those. Alright, get our cover freed up and loose. Now let's start getting all the T30s off. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And 5 down here. Okay. Okay. There we go. Thing's pretty disgusting here. Ugh, nasty.
Alrighty guys, this is what we're working with.
Let's just do a quick inspection here. Looks like just muddy looking. Seal off.
Make sure you pull your seal out. Where was it?
Just stuck around these guides here. Alright, we're cleaned up, we got our belt on. Let's get the belt cover in the area. You don't have to have it fully installed yet, just keep it kind of close. And you get your new water pump here. You get the harness out of the way. Let's get this hose out of the way.
What's the trick? You rock it in or?
No, you want to slide behind the harness. There it is. Okay. Alright, got the belt on there. Get it up on the pulley.
Center it.
Okay. So we have the belt on. We're not going to put any bolts in yet. We're going to tip it a little bit so we can get our cover on. Okay. Got our cover on. T30's going in. Okay, got our bottom one here. snug them up a little bit. Gonna torque them down, 9 Newton meters. Got those in done. Got our cover bolts. You can always differentiate the cover bolts because they have like that stainless look to them. We got 1, 2. Get going back with your hoses. Obviously start with the tough ones first that you have the least amount of access to. Get your harness clip back in. Your harness clip back into the belt cover for the water pump. So it's here, let's get this guy on. Okay, got a clamp off the transmission cooler, that's got to go on there. And we got a clamp here. Gotta go on. Got our coarse thread T30 for our hose mount. Sounds like that. Okay. Got our hoses. Put the ones on that you have the least access to first. Finally, the small one here. Get our breather pipe. Two T30s, keep an eye on the ground wires. For the heater element. Okay, give a quick inspection.
Where's that plug?
Right here.
Gotcha.
Give a quick inspection, everything's looking good. Get your charge pipe. Clipped in. Vacuum hose clipped in. Lap sensor.
Installing the battery tray. I'll go with a few 10s.
Alright, well, put your clip back in.
Install the battery. 13 for the battery lock.
Positive first.
The positive on first, then the negative. 10 mil.
13.
Tighten your 13.
Airbox.
Airbox clamp. Put an airbox clamp on. What hose is that?
Breather hose. Get that clamp back in correctly.
Alrighty, doing a vacuum test. We're going to fill up the coolant. What do we got?
Hold a nice vacuum. Close it down, folding well. We're filling her up. Alright, 18 Jetta, 1.4 water pump, T30, 2-inch extension, 6-inch extension, pair of hose clamp pliers, and 10, and a 13 socket. That's it. It's an easy one. Let's fill that coolant up and you're ready to roll.